Hello, I'm Robert Grant, and welcome to LearnMyShot.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to shoot an image of a splash from a droplet of water using just clamp lamps, a tissue paper, and your digital SLR camera. Take a look at this first clip of one of our final shots to see what I mean. Well, let's show you how we get to this point. First, we need a black pan of water, high above about 3 feet, an eyedropper, which we fill with water and squeeze drops out and catch the splash with our camera. Our lighting is pretty simple. 6 120 watt halogen spotlights through the tissue paper reflecting onto the water. Our camera is 1/1600 of a second, f7.1 at ISO 400. So let's get started. I've got my dropper filled with water. I'm going to add a little bit of green food coloring to our pan of water, so when it splashes we'll have a little bit of color. And I'm only going to fire one shot at a time here. I'll do it again. Let's take a look at that. Well, here's 2 shots from our first try. Not too bad, but let's add something else to the mix. Okay, now I've got a red gel here, and I'm going to tape this on the back of the tissue paper so the light goes through the red gel and the tissue paper. And as you can see, it reflects off the surface of the water. So now I've lowered the red gel down a bit, so it's reflecting just about 1/3 of the water. I'm going to take a blue gel and put it above the red gel, leaving a bit of a gap of the white, so we have a striped effect. So you can see across the water, we've got red, then a little white stripe, and then blue. So let's load up our eyedropper and give this a try. Let's have a look at that. Wow, that really looks great. The colors are vibrant, the splash is very cool. I think we've got it. So I really like our setup that we've got going now. So let's shoot a bunch and see what we get. You need to do a lot of these to get the one you want, so you need some patience to time yourself between the squeeze of the bulb and the squeeze of the trigger here. Sometimes you can just give it a good shot like this. Let's have a look at what we've got. By using slow motion, you can sort of see what happens when the droplet hits the water. Your eye cannot catch that sort of speed, so it takes a little practice in timing from when you push the bulb on the eyedropper to when it hits the water to make the splash. In this one, the splash was coming up and another drop came down right into the middle of it, creating the hole in the middle. So you can try all kinds of different things, different colored gels, different colors in the water, and just get some great images. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video on shooting a droplet of water and can see that you can do it with a little patience and persistence. And look for us again at LearnMyShot.com. How are things going over here?